Hey guys, Chris here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the best Penne Alla Vodka ever. If my eyes are red, it's because I got only a couple hours of sleep last night. And I was rubbing my eyes. So, just going to have to make it work. But let's go to the store.
Welcome. 6:49.
Time to head home and make the best Penne Alla Vodka you've ever seen. Stay tuned. Alright, I just made it back home. It's time to make the best Penne Alla Vodka ever. Let's go. So what I like to do is I get the water super hot before boiling. It really cuts down on time. So when you boil hot water, it only takes about 5 or 6 minutes to fully get to a boil. And before that, or you can do it during, you want to add some olive oil, not too much. I kind of just eyeball it. And then I also put in a pinch of salt. Adding salt and olive oil to your pot will help pasta not stick together and stick to the pan, but also it will give it some great flavor. The water's almost to a boil, so I decided to get a paper plate, and I have the box of penne sitting right here, ready to get put in. The water is now boiled. It's time to put the pasta in. I can do it slow. And you want to stir until 5 minutes has passed. If you want harder pasta, I would say give it about 3 or 4 minutes. If you want pasta that would just fall apart in your mouth, give it about up to 8 minutes. It has been about 2 or 3 minutes since I put the pasta in the pot. I turned down the heat so the water doesn't boil over. It still has a little while to go. I would give it about 2 or 3 more minutes. This is Jester. He decided to jump on the cabinet as I was filming the last clip. So when it gets to this point, when it's been about 4 minutes, you'll notice the pasta start expanding. That means it's almost done. This is when you can start testing out each individual one. Just make sure it's dried off so you don't have boiling water scald you. So now's the time you want to start testing it, as I said in the last clip. So you basically just you want to get one. Alright, then you transfer it to the paper towel and you can dry it off. I just tested out a noodle. It's just about done. I would say maybe 30 more seconds boiling, and that should do it. Now since the pasta's all boiled, it's time to put the special sauce. Now with the sauce in the bowl, you gotta microwave it for 30 seconds. While it's microwaving, you fill up a bowl with the penne. Alright, so once you have the bowl full of penne, and just your heated sauce, you just dump it right on. This might have been a bit too much sauce, but yeah. And then you want to mix the sauce very slowly so I don't spill any. I forgot to mention, put some classic black pepper on top before mixing. And now with the sauce and the black pepper mixed up, add the cheese, Parmesan and Romano. We're gonna mix this together too. Now with the cheese all mixed in, you wanna add a light layer. That's about it. You can add more to your liking. Since it's just me having the pasta tonight, I put leftovers on a plate and in a bowl. There's my pasta, my penne alla vodka, looking all succulent and delicious. I'm gonna microwave it for about 25 seconds just to heat it up since I put the leftovers on the plate and put the tin foil over it. All right, there it is. The best penne alla vodka ever. Let's go take a bite. All right, this is a bit of an unconventional setup, but my table has stuff on it and I don't feel like cleaning it right now. I'm hungry. So let's have a bite. See how the best penne alla vodka ever is. Cheers. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Man, that sauce ties everything together. It is so good. It's a perfect blend of spice. It's a perfect blend of cheese. It's a cheese and pasta lover's dream. So if you like cheese and pasta, you will not be disappointed in this. This is the best penne alla vodka you can possibly have. So, like I said in the title, this is the best penne alla vodka ever. And if you enjoy this content, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, favorite, share, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.